Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the bamboo leaf to cook the rice cakes for the Midsummer Rhyme event in Heartopia. Go to the exchange store, and if you scroll down, you'll see the bamboo leaves here. One of it is 50 gold coins. So if you want to if you want to cook the recipe, you will need the bamboo leaf. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions for this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!